Good morning, welcome to Fitous Thai Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to cook the great dish, pak choob or vegetable tempura, and the great food for the kid. Just a few ingredients. All the ingredients that we use today. This one pumpkin, carrot, morning glory, sweet potato, ready mixed flour, salt, sugar, and pepper. The amount of this ingredient just as you like. If you like sweet potato, yeah, you can put more. If you like pumpkin, you can put it more. That's it. All right, and then I'm going to show you how to mix this one. The tempura flour, we get it from Japanese supermarket. This one ready made, and this one about 300 gram. Then we add, put the cold water bit by bit, and then you stir. Keep on stirring. You stir until mix well. This water, must be very cold water. Or you give me one piece of ice, two piece of ice. If this water, if you think not cold enough, you put the piece of ice soak in here. When this one mix well, you put taste half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and pepper. And you can see this one not too thick, not too light. The water about 200 ml. Okay, then you can leave it. And now I'm show you how to slice this vegetable. This one morning glory. You cut at the end and throw it away. Cut about this size. Carrot. You slice not too thick, not too thin. And then pumpkin. You take the seed inside out. And then take the skin out. The skin very hard. You also slice about the same size like carrot. Not too thick, not too thin. And then sweet potato, do the same way. You peel the skin. I like sweet potato, I put more. Okay, now we wash this one. Okay, now I think we're going to fry all this one. Put the vegetable oil in here. Oil hot enough to fry with a medium heat. Ready? Okay, we start to fry carrot first. And then pumpkin. Why I put ice in here when we serve? Because make the flour is crunchy when we fry. And look, this one crispy. Okay, the first one done. Okay, then sweet potato. I forgot to put ring on onion ring. Yeah, because the Hualan like this one.
Who's Walan?
Hualan is Bodhi, my cameraman. He loved this one.
Yeah, I do.
Okay, next onion ring. Okay, last morning curry.
Your last morning glory,
Yeah, last morning curry. This is my favorite one. Have to be last.
Finally, pour the sweet chili sauce. For the recipe for this sauce, just follow the link at the top. I'm gonna go right for this onion ring, as I love onion rings. Wow, pretty good. Let's try the morning glory. It's almost like a kakiage, a Japanese tempura that they put into soups. And the sauce is great as well. It's crispy, moorish. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. I will see you next week. Thanks. Bye.